Hi guys, my name is Alex Anderson. I grew up in Parkersburg, West Virginia, and I graduated from West Virginia University in May of 2018 with my Bachelor of Science degree in Biomedical Engineering. Since I graduated, I have been at Duke University where I'm pursuing my PhD in Biomedical Engineering. At Duke, my research focuses on engineering biomaterials to increase the efficacy of tumor therapies. WVU gave me all the tools that I needed to find my passion in research and to be competitive when I was applying for graduate school. I didn't want to waste the resources that WVU has to offer, so I invested a great deal of my time at WVU being involved with different student organizations and doing undergraduate research that spanned across WVU's different campuses. I was actually in the second graduating class of Biomedical Engineering program at WVU, so I was excited being a part of such a new program. The faculty worked with the students to ensure that the program met our needs, and I was able to tailor my biomedical engineering degree to my interests and focus on biomaterials by taking classes in that concentration and also by leading a senior design capstone project as the chief engineer, where we designed biomaterials and built a 3D printer for creating novel cervical sutures, which was a really cool experience. WVU is an R1 research institution, which basically means that it has very high research activity, and it's actually one of only 130 universities in the United States that has this status. So after spending my first few summers in undergrad working in pretty classical engineering positions, I decided to switch gears and look for a position as an undergraduate research assistant. I found many opportunities in labs across WVU's different campuses in different departments with different research topics that really interested me. But ultimately, I ended up in a pharmaceutical sciences lab in the School of Pharmacy on WVU's medical campus. Having the medical campus just a short PRT right away is an incredible resource as a student at WVU. And because my lab was also part of WVU's Cancer Institute, I worked on a project designing drug therapies for patients with multiple myeloma, which is a type of cancer, and we were able to use patient samples from the Cancer Institute. Getting this awesome hands-on experience, learning lab techniques, culturing cells, designing and conducting my own experiments was a great way for me to take what I was learning in the classroom and then apply it to real-world situations. Getting this experience with research during the academic year also made me competitive for getting positions in summer research experiences for undergrads, also called REUs, which take place across the US at different universities and different research institutions. So I actually spent one summer before I graduated working in the Texas Medical Center in Houston, Texas, which is the largest medical center in the world. I felt that WVU really prepared me very well to be competitive in my field. I found my sense of community at WVU through student organizations. I was heavily involved with the Society of Women Engineers, or SWE, while I was at WVU. My favorite part about working with SWE was our strong role in STEM outreach. During my senior year, I served as SWE president and was able to implement this really cool STEM outreach program where we introduced local 8th graders to coding. I loved having the opportunity to give back to the Morgantown community and to be a STEM role model for local kids. I grew up loving the Mountaineers, but I don't think you have to be from West Virginia to feel at home at WVU. I love that I was able to get a large school experience when I was standing in a packed stadium with 60,000 other people singing Country Roads, but then on Monday I could get the small school feeling by taking these small size engineering classes and getting to interact and work with my professors in a one-on-one capacity. I really felt that my professors really wanted me to succeed, and I'm so glad that I have my WVU family as a network now in my professional career. Going to WVU means you're a Mountaineer for life, and you'll always have the support of your fellow Mountaineers. I hope you decide to be one too. Bye!